Helo, heddiw arno Gemau Retro, ni'n mynd i chwarae Super Mario World, a fi'n Cameron.
A fi'n Avion.
A ni'n mynd i chwarae Super Mario World. So, yeah, Mario A, one player game. Yeah, ni angen mynd...
Our level.
Yoshi's Island 1.
Okay.
Okay, Mario start.
Whoa.
Okay, so Super Mario World is basically Super Mario Bros. 4. Oh, Pedro.
Yeah.
Super Mario Bros. Pedro.
Bill. Game over, Colin.
Yeah, okay, there we go.
Okay, game over.
Game over already. Okay, let's try it. Tim jump on a massive bullet bill because that's not gonna use a B jump. No. Tim need you on a bullet bill, might kill it. Okay? Duck. Red egg. Duck. It's a duck. Man. Jump.
Come on. Yes.
Mushroom! Yeah, mae hyn yn na, jump over it. Okay, ti'n gallu mynd mewn y pipe. Na, my enemies yn dod mas o'r pipe. So, jump over it. Well, ti'n gallu mynd mewn pipe sometimes, a mae'n fel blast ti mas.
Yeah. You many different type of Mario World.
Oh yay! Another mushroom.
Wiper on a plant.
Get out the way, put it on the plant. A ti'n gallu gwneud hynna?
Dwi'n gwybod.
Mynd mewn y pipe. Na ti'n angen brico hynna hefyd. Oh. Fydden ni ti ddim gallu mynd mewn fan Aladdin.
Whoa.
When ti'n gallu brico hynna? I guess.
Beth ydyn Yoshi beth yna?
A Yoshi coin. I make a Yoshi get a boost and I make a Mega Yoshi.
Whoa!
I'm gonna destroy our world.
Woohoo!
Mae hynna'n fel gyfo ti fel advice o beth ti'n angen gwneud.
Okay. Ti'n rhoi fi advice?
Yay! I'm the point of advice. I know what you've been lucky. What did you just do? I'm kidding
Okay.
you. Okay. What up?
What up?
Trump, come on, man!
Dear Trump.
Don't! Oh, yay! I'm gonna get the little red dots. Hey. Get o hynna, fi'n meddwl mae mushroom. Na, fire mushroom. Fire flower. Na,
Fire
mushroom.
Fire flower.
Get our coins. Get the
So it didn't run fast.
No! Duck!
Oh yeah, you jumped over it. Oh yeah, you get another Mario.
Another 2 Marios. Ready. Now ti'n angen jump ar yma fo. Mae'n ready got ti. Jump. Ti'n bron wedi gyda left behind.
Garfen.
Wait, but you had it. I hint them a game over.
Okay.
Okay, now ni'n mynd mewn i a pool of wisdom.
That's my pool of wisdom.
Oh, I'm just really mynd through it. Oh, okay, let's go him then. Just jump around a yellow switch palace. Okay.
Whoa!
I'm gonna get all
Team so lucky. Fi ddim credu hynna possible. Whoa. Aww. Sut ti'n gwneud hynna? X.
Yeah. Entry. Okay, boing. Okay, switch palace. The power of the switch you have pushed will turn into... Oh, yeah. So hynna'n basically...
Saving?
Guys, mae'n save o.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Beth nesaf? Come on. Oh, there we go.
Oh. End of the world.
Woohoo! Yellow switch palace. Fi'n gallu gweld boo fyna. Continue a save. Yeah.
Okay, next do fi agos ti just wedi cael.
Na.
Yeah.
Mario. Yoshi's Island.
Ni heb Mario either. In the Yoshi world. Main Yoshi world.
Bruh! One up.
Fi'n hoffi hwnna.
Here we go.
Sut ydy mushroom yn dod o'r saving point?
Yeah.
Magical Yoshi. Hooray, thank you.
Okay, boom. So basically my Yoshi and Gashi Boita Pathan.
Yoshi!
Specifically apples. What
I can
apple?
cut it into tomatoes.
Tomatoes? No, my apple. My avo. Boita.
Apple. Okay.
Bito. Bito. Oh, and also, my Boita enemies, I'm gonna spit off fire mass.
Oh, man.
Spitting fire.
Yoshi also.
Yoshi spitting fire up in here. Okay, where did my doesn't get out here when my spit off mass? Eat the apple.
After
eat the
him,
apple.
T-shirt.
Eat the apple. Eat the apple. Yoshi.
I think I'm Cooper.
Nah, Yoshi, please don't leave me. No, Yoshi. Yay. Jump up. Oh, I'm going down.
I think I can bite a phone. Bite a phone.
Yeah.
My boss idea.
Hey, beth again. This gate marks my checkpoint.
Yeah, my
We never have anyone Yoshi.
Oh!
Oh.
Wait, I've been half here fine.
Okay, Hoyovar Yoshi. So I don't get off Yoshi. And
She trapped out Yoshi.
oh yeah. Hoyovar
Yoshi.
Yoshi.
Seriously, and I'm pumped to do for Yoshi.
Yeah, I'm Yoshi coin. There we go. Oh, I didn't put apple.
Friendly mini finisher.
Let me go. One up. Now mine.
Mushroom.
Mine.
Palm mushroom. What? Another mushroom. Oh no, it's not a mushroom. Another mushroom. Another mushroom.
Just ready to leave our Yoshi. Oh, bye Yoshi.
Hmm?
Oh, I don't come here. Oh, nah. Yeah.
This is enough.
And I'm thinking.
No.
Oh yeah, check in my hand.
Yoshi got him into pipes.
Yeah. I'm the them. I'm just really good. Yay. You know no one wrote it one up. Does it mean hina?
No, mine obviously
Yeah. Now I'm so timidly going board.
Bye, fella. No! Nothing.
Now hina with one coin. Okay, now hina cool. Now also finish adventure down vanilla because my body me eat.
What's the biggest rivals in retro video games?
Sonic.
Nope. Mario and Luigi.
Sure. It's now looking at him. Boom boom shakalaka. No.
Tiana gonna do spinny pith.
Now I'm gonna go.
Seriously, she's just ready mint to fun.
Now we're gonna get a limited coin. Limited coins. Him sitting down limited coins. Limited coins for life. I also can get a die one-ups.
Die one-ups.
Yeah.
Okay, just game over. Please, game over.
Nah, I'm never.
Yeah, best I'm a time.
Boom boom shakalaka.
Just Garfield though.
Boom. Boom.
I think it was our seen by a prawn plant.
That was sick. Now I'm ready coffee.
Oh, my name is jump alarm now. Woohoo, coffee.
Coin goes for real, goes to death. Okay. Mario clear, course clear. All been soaking, been sweating.
That's all from us today.
Yoshi's Island.
Okay.
Yoshi's Island 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Die.
Zim Red Egg.
In between our Yoshi.
Turning me the wrong way. Red, mynd over now. Jump along venom. How much hate but he jump along venom? I'm so curious. Oh my god. How much you ready, man?
Okay, game over.
I love them in game over. I got one-ups in there. Oh my god.
Probably sleep mode.
Sending use a item here. Where's the item? Oh, yes. Yeah. Midland, yeah. Okay, there we go.
Oh, come on. Yes.
Yeah. The magical Yoshi. Flying Koopas are running the world. Every horse and a blue. Okay, my Koopas and smell of a Koopa. That's a hard pound. Okay, my pipe. If you don't go palm, I'm already got rid of colourful pipes and newer games. Checkpoint. Savage. Okay. I will use this to my advantage. Fire Mario. Fire Mario.
Okay.
I just got 10 lives.
Okay, family. Pretty game over there. Think ready hin and Guido Island home.
No, I'm at them. No.
You just ready me down now?
Yeah, I'll be able to go for now, do we? If you ready, Mario.
Mario, stop.
Oh, yay. Hit on a checkpoint. See. Oh, savage. Jump on his back. Oh, it's just really stoppable.
Yo.
Get on now. My
What?
I cost here, but he got a mushroom. Do you ready make a being terrible.
Okay. I think ready to think I'll practice.
You have to be ready on give over here now. Very many girlfriend again. I'm having many one that. Teach me how to keep a Mario, okay? Get over me.
Oh, I've actually been Luigi.
My Luigi stinkable.
I'm Mario and
Post a loud amount of comments what you think of my Avion here in Savage.
I said I'm in the comments pricing credit, but Cameron, I'm wrong.
Make a red stamp. Yay. Okay. Then use our item list.
Okay, sit in the Andor game now.
No, he didn't. Edward got 8 lives. And pretty lose all the lives to when my game over. See what he means?
No.
Yep. Not nope. Yep. Oh yeah, and my nope, yep, and basically the same thing. Oh my god, I know. It's like stop since you end your game.
We are gonna delete. Really. Oh! Wait, what? That's copy in Sonic.
Said yeah.
Squidward chemical plant.
50 Hannah come on.
Vote in the comments below. Cam does not play, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, we already quarry level him before. Yeah.
And she did complete it for?
Yeah. Yeah, we already got all your gross level. 1 coin.
Okay, give it to me.
No, actually, Team Trio make a gaming dwarfs and that.
Nothing dim.
Now, if Minnie go to your next world, don't worry, you're not forgetting. Edric, Yoshi's Island 4.
Yay.
Yoshi's Island fish. Golden fish.
Ah.
Golden Pascod. Pascod iron.
I've been winter passports.
Do you ever do?
Oh yeah.
See, just when he turned him into a Luigi in second red.
Whoa.
Red Ike. And Mario got his swimmer and like Sonic.
My Sonic can have it.
Yeah, and then that good.
Mechanical can.
Now mine go breath meter. I think I can remember that.
My kind of weird that my Mario got to live on forever.
He's invincible.
It's gonna die. Rest in peace.
Liz, my end's stressed.
Die.
Magic on here, magic.
We were my.
Get back up, quick. No, Poofy, wait. No.
Poor old Mario. Can't survive in the water.
My gas is on just right now. Just swim the whole game. Oh, come on, just get on the line.
Whoa.
It's our team in that land. They thought you just ready to hit.
If you've been near for that, I went and press it. That's just so sad.
Yeah, if you want to get a land. Okay, now let's get it past.
Isn't it quite hard? I'm down in. I can say Mario, I thought.
Mario versus Spiny. Hey Spiny, how you doing? Wait, anybody call Yoshi? Okay, let's go on a V team, guys, you get a V now. Oh my, follow a V.
Man, shuffle off.
Let's go on ahead. Boom, 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 boom. 5,000 coins. Like it.
That actually added up to be 90.
Didn't follow a V.
And then an exit pipe.
No, when I invisible walls. Oh, bye, Spiny. Oh! Boom, 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 boom. Die.
Oh my gosh, TT, get over.
Meow, 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 meow.
TT Movie Survival. And then I tried Luigi, just turned away Mario instantly. Wait, and then I tried Sonic. Oh!
The whole world combined with lots of avions.
Avion rules the world. Yay!
Been sweating.
No!
Papa did when he got you a mushroom. How did he? Think I can get off fire flower. Wait. Flower! Now then min man a pipe this time. Min
Pass the pipe.
yeah, min pass the pipe. Pass the pipe. Pass the pipe.
Pass the pipe. Made out of spaghetti.
Mario and Wolfie spaghetti. Mario really likes spaghetti.
Die.
Do you mix up?
Oh, stop! Oh, great. City Milan. Oh.
team better than V.
Whoa, what? No, no, I'm not gonna die. Whee!
Oh, it's already died, your man, yo. No.
I'm gonna die, I know I am. Woo,
Yoshi coin. I love the Yoshi.
Yoshi coin? Yoshi coin does whatever Yoshi can. Whoa! Blade Raven track. Come on, Blade Raven checkpoint. Whoa! With your girlfriend.
Give it. 30 hits off phase 3. Oh.
Now we're even.
See, you already missed yourself too. Okay, Iggy's castle. Iggy and one of the Koopalings from Mario. Edge, we didn't even control him. No, we my gate and magic. We already make of it past him.
Wait.
Okay, basically,
Is he from Bowser's castle?
yeah, nah, Iggy's castle. Edge,
Iggy.
basically, 59 grenade, you just jump around a wedding that he control him. A
Pointy-
wedding, Edge
pointy
on a hit, Edge,
Iggy.
Edge.
Pointy
Koopa
Iggy.
is equals dead. Mine Koopaling.
Oh, my huge Koopa.
I just an other Koopa. Okay, goodbye, Koopa.
Igloo.
Koopa Ping. Igloo. Igloo.
Igloo the igloo.
How dare you?
The power of
Koopa.
Avion.
15 Koopa. 17 Koopa. My Avion is secretly Koopa.
Be. Say if we did. We did make something.
Having keyboard. Mine annoying. Annoying.
More annoying than Zach.
Fall in the lava.
Yeah.
Fall in the lava.
What happens if they hit
Like
me?
you die. You die.
I could just go like.
Press
Bye-bye.
that, press that, press that, press
What?
that. No, no.
We've got 4 lives left and we're bound to die. Bound to die. Bound to die.
At least get a at least they should get a past in the. At least they should get a in the.
Stop speaking. Stop playing.
Biff, mine move on our own there. Okay, mine up checkpoint later. Heaven. Oh. You have to jump
Oh,
in his head.
yeah.
You have to get him into the lava. Hit number 15.
Oh yeah.
How can I?
Oh no.
Hello, my viewers.
Oh no.
Just min-mound.
Say to-
Them got a crush. Native Maru.
Run. No.
Just a dream. I ain't got tired of a game here. Now I need to acquire Sonic. So I need to Mario.
No. got 3 lives left. So intense.
What? Babe?
Mushroom.
Not bad. Tim Marinani when you go die.
Woo.
Now arrows. Stay over in.
Now. Run, my friend, run.
People are
Okay,
already
Finn
now.
against Iggy now. Right?
Okay, now
First
tonight
time.
and jump around our head off.
What? Oh.
Jump on head off. See what he kill her for? No, just about late. Head off. Yes.
Iggy
Yes.
is dead.
Yes. Okay, now I'm going to
Aw.
Wait, what? Think I don't Narak. We've been doing an aid.
Run. That's what you do. Ti'n gallu cyrraedd unrhyw beth gyda hwnna. Heb lawn Bowser.
Yes, you can. I can kill Bowser gyda hyn. Mae Bowser yn easy mewn y game hyn. All ti angen gwneud yw just keep on dodge o water when...
Fi ddim yn hoffi fel pan nhw'n fel. Mae'n shake o Mario, wedyn mae'n kill o fo.
Oh, fi'n eisiau hynna yn mewn Super Mario Maker. So, mewn Super Mario World style edrych.
Whoa!
Na, mynd nôl lan. Na, ti'n angen keep on hand hyn. Okay, now. This girl is on fire. That's my Mario run, even girl.
Curiosity killed the cat.
I didn't talk about lots of weird things.
Whoa! And then I just felt like getting really big dog.
Okay. Do we just really shake on the world?
Pam wyt ti'n gyda 4 lives? Ydy yn achos oedd fi'n cyrra Iggy?
Na, mae'n agos... Na, mae'n agos dwi wedi gyda 1-up.
Ble?
Na, os ti'n gyda 100 coins, when mae'n gyda ti 1-up.
A faint o coins ydy ti'n gyda 59? Wait, where? Ble ydy Mario?
Princess Peach now!
Fi ddim yn efo gallu believe o, mae unrhyw ffilm fi a Tomodachi like from Mario.
Oh yeah. It's like, give it back. Give it back. Yeah. Okay, then...
Beth ydy yna?
Hynna'n prawn Plan's daughter.
Where? Rhan o tan yn gyda dŵr?
Na.
Yoshi!
Yoshi's back, baby. And he likes to kill people even more. Yoshi yn basically fel invincibility ydy e.
Beth sy'n digwydd os mae'n hito Yoshi? Ydy'n kill fo?
Na, mae just yn ready through. Mae'n invincible. We just ready to kill him. I don't want to be responsible for killing him. No! Yoshi! Yoshi!
You're never gonna catch him. He's never gonna catch you.
Dun, dun, dun. We're having a dance party!
How long have you been on this?
Really? Wait, what? Edrych am hyn, edrych.
Wait, you just turned a piranha plant into a mushroom.
Edrych. 17.
17 meows.
On the 17th of day of Christmas, Santa gave to me Meow, meowing cow.
I searched up Marin Cow.
Beth wedi dod lan. O ie, ti'n starto gyda Yoshi ac os fi wedi endo gyda fo. Fi ddim yn remember hynna. Ti ddim yn gallu bwyta nhw.
You should have told me that in the start, that he's not invincible.
Na, trio though. Mae'n kill fo.
Well, what?
Reddick, ti wedi miso e. O ie, comes back to you.
Wait, what?
Ti'n
Did you
gallu
bite your
bwyta-
foot? No, no!
O, yn note.
Oh, achos Yoshi power.
Yoshi, psychicness. Ger o hynna neu ti'n mynd i marw.
Yoshi gallu fire. Run, 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 run.
Only
Yoshi,
thing-
run, run.
The only thing that fi'n gael fel theory about, mae'n Street Fighter, mae'n fel mae rhywun yn gweld Iron Man yn Street Fighter.
Why are we start talking about this?
Ac os fi'n gwybod rhywun sydd yn lyfo Street Fighter. Yoshi! Yoshi! Get on! Mushroom! Ti'n mynd i marw. Hoio fawr crowd. Hoio fawr? Mae Avian wedi kill ni. Oh yay, Yoshi.
Sut ti'n gyda'r fire pit yna?
Oh my god, fi'n so sorry.
Goodbye.
Get o hynna! Mae'n fire! Mae'n fire!
Probably,
na.
I don't know, probably mushroom.
No! Yoshi! Yoshi! Goodbye, Yoshi.
I bet he's gonna come back. Oh, he's dead.
Mae wedi cwympo! No, Yoshi!
I can probably turn him into Yoshi coin. Wait, what? No! I
Okay.
should have moved the timeline. I'm gonna feel it to me tomorrow for then.
Na bron wedi scare me fel a lot. Running around a Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. No, face the bird.
Hyn gyd ohono ni heddiw.
Ie.
Fawr.
Hwyl fawr, subscriber,
Please
a pethau,
subscribe.
a pethau.
A thumbs up.
Donut Plains die, hynna'n beth ni wedi gwneud.